Hello welcome back to my channel YouTube Speaking News. Today I have a good news for share to everyone. Officially making its debut in Southeast Asia as the 2022 Nissan Terra. Like the vehicle launched last year, the Terra features the brand's latest styling direction. The headlights get a more aggressive look thanks to the new quad LED headlights and updated LED DRLs. There's also the bolder V-motion front grille, new foglight bezels, more stylish LED taillights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a restyled tailgate. In terms of size, the Thai-spec Terra measures 4,890 mm long, 1,865 mm wide, 1,865 mm tall, and has a 2,850 mm wheelbase. It also has a generous 225 mm of ground clearance. The 2022 Terra now comes with its own cabin design. There are new aircon vents, a flat-bottom leather steering wheel, a revised center stack with a bigger touchscreen infotainment system and automatic climate control panel, as well as a new gear selector. Meanwhile, the two-tone leather upholstery gives the Terra a more upscale look and feel, depending on customer preference. The two-tone finish can come in either Black-Beige or Black-Burgundy Red. Other features available on the 2022 Terra include wireless phone charging, electronic parking brake, 7-inch TFT multi-info display, keyless engine start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto connectivity, rear entertainment display, 8-speaker Bose sound system, and HDMI connection for the rear display. Under the hood, the Thai-spec Terra is powered by a 2.3-liter twin-turbo diesel inline-4. Despite being slightly smaller and packing two turbos, the engine makes similar power to the 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine found in local units 190 PS with 450 Nm of torque. Over in Thailand, the Terra is only available with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Depending on the variant, it comes in either rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for receiving the news that you see first. Goodbye, see you at the next video.